I'm going to show you 2 coins that have massive up to 1000x potential on the Sui chain. If it's sounding interesting, drop that like, give me a subscribe. Welcome back to Cryptogains. This is not financial advice, but you can see it as good advice. Please do your further research before you invest your money if you're going to buy these. Take a look at this right here. First coin, if it loads. Come on, load up for me. Blue Move. Blue Move is a decentralized, essentially it's like a decentralized exchange, but it's more. It's like, it's doing multiple different things. It has an NFT marketplace. It just recently launched something that's like pump.fun. I'm going to talk about it. But this is where all the magic is happening off of Blue Move. Now, I seriously believe for something that has its own decentralized exchange, you can see over here, right? The leading AMM DEX on Sui, right? Because, you know, there's 2. They've got Cetus, which is really good. But I think this could come up there. And the reason I think Blue Move could probably be one of the biggest decentralized exchanges, it could compete with CTEX. Even more so now is because of this right here. You see it? You see the highlight? First of all, let me go onto their Twitter or X. Blue Move recently launched a pump.fun type of platform, like a launch pad for the Sui network. You can see here, movepump.com. So because of that, and I'm going to get into it, this has just become one of the most powerful decentralized exchanges, especially on the Sui network, because Cetus isn't doing this. And you can see here, Blue Move is talking about their updates and introducing people to liquidity swaps and stuff. I'll talk about that more on, you know, when I go over there. But essentially what you have now is a situation where you've got a company or business or whatever you want to call it, something that I'm really interested in investing in now. A decentralized exchange that covers NFTs, which will be on the Sui network, and Aptos, and probably many more cross chains. It covers Move Pump, which is like the pump.fun where loads of new memes can come. This has set itself up for greatness. Right now, Blue Move is sitting about 3 cents. 0.038, 6 million market cap. This is mega tiny for a decentralized project. Please look, I'm comparing this to PancakeSwap. Right, or a decentralized exchange. Sorry, I said project. Well, still, because it does everything, right? If you got into PancakeSwap back here years ago, about 23 cents, it was about 22 cents the lowest I saw it, and then you sat patiently and waited because it blew from 23 cents right up to, can I even get to the top? It went to about $42. It was massive gains. These are the kind of explosive moves that you see when you see a new chain get up and excited and people start getting hyped for it. Take another example, Jupiter Swap, right? So Jupiter is the exchange that you can find for on the Solana chain. Look at it, 1.1 billion, almost 1.2 billion. Billions of dollars into this, or hundreds of millions that have been flooded. Look at that, 160 million volume just today in the last 24 hours. Jupiter's a massive exchange. And I think this whole company, I gotta call it, I'm investing in a brand, in a business, a brand, a company. I think Blue Move could be big, especially for the Sui network. And you can grab this on Mexi if you'd like to. Go over there and grab some. Or if you know how to use the decentralized exchange, you can come over to their own DEX. Just take your Sui on your Sui wallet and swap it. Grab some, you know, grab some of this if you want to. It's not financial advice. I'm just trying to show you where the hype is going to lie. And I seriously believe that this has up to 1000x potential. If it does big moves in the future, like what PancakeSwap did for the Binance Smart Chain, and this is going to do it for the Sui network, I think it could be a big move. Look, 10x is 63 million. I think we will see that. Sorry, 64 million. 100x is 645 million. So I'm basically saying go to like a 6 billion market cap. We saw that. We saw more than that for these other decentralized exchanges like Uniswap. I think Pancake went to maybe 3-4 billion. Okay, even if it doesn't go full 1,000, 500x could still be big. So I'm putting this on your radar, showing you what I think seriously a good buy right now. This is what I'm looking at. Patreons, I'm looking to buy this. I've already got my order open. Where's my once it's filled, Patreon's going to see a buy alert on this, and yeah, you know, this is the one that could be a big mover on the Sui network. Second coin. Well, I just told you. Move Pump. So, like I said to you, Blue Move recently launched this platform. It's just like your pump.fun for the Sui chain called Move Pump, right? And you can see it over the last 11 hours, like they're talking about the updates and stuff with Move Pump and everything else, right? So Move Pump, they got their own coin, or Blue Move made its own coin, as far as I'm aware. At least I think it is. Now, this is incredibly high risk, this one, because now, essentially, you are dealing with a launch pad, but it could become by far the most successful launch pad. Pump.fun was so damn big that had it had its own coin, you would have seen it go to hundreds of millions of dollars. Pump.fun never had its own token. This has. So because now you've got a platform that's just like your Pump.fun, it's possible that this could fly to hundreds of millions in the future should it gain the attraction and the adoption as to what they hope to, what they're doing over here. Let's have a look. So look at this. This last post, right? Introducing incentivized liquidity on movepump.com. Make sure it's movepump.com, because if you put like www, it doesn't show. 26,000 views within the last, that was September the 20th. Okay. Where's the most recent one? 11 hours ago. What's this ad? 3,500. Okay, so they're active. It's active. And I think as more people start to adopt the SWE network, because you can see it's pumping, people are getting excited for SWE, they're going to come over to Move Pump and Blue Move to exchange stuff. They come on Blue Move, they swap the tokens, they buy whatever they want to buy if they miss the bonding curve on Move Pump. And then, this is where the excitement lies. So right now, you have the opportunity to buy this, basically a Pump version, but for the first time, it has its own coin. But again, I'm hoping it's the right token, because as far as I'm aware, there's no other token when you search it. This is already skyrocketed. It's tiny. You're dealing with a micro cap. So guys, please put what you can afford to lose if you want to, ape into this. Look, you search Move Pump. There's two here. One that looks like a scam, dumped 100%. And then this one here, which is the one I'm sharing you now. Now, you want to make sure you're getting the right one. I will drop the links to this in the info section. Click it. Just click on my info section of this video. You'll see the links. That takes you straight here. And, if you don't want to miss this, become a Patreon. Right now, this is almost a 500K cap. I shared this to Patreon. Where do we buy this? 254K cap. Let me refresh this, because it's over the last sort of 40 minutes I've been looking into this. 254K cap was when I shared it. We saw a little dip, thought we'd just buy it. There was a dip. It's come back up now. So I think this can do really, really well, purely for the fact that there is no other. What you got? Sun's what's it? Is it called sunpump.meme? You've got, what else have you got? You've got the moonshot on Dex tools, which is this one here. But none of them have their own token. So I think that for the SWE network, as it becomes it's great timing, especially if the market starts to really, blow massively. It's great timing, because now you're going to start to see memes be very favorable over here. And like I told you before, SWE in Japan means water. SWE has used the teardrop symbol for water. I think water type, or just water type memes, I'm saying it like it's a Pokemon, water memes, anything that deals with water could be really, really good for this. Like, I really think the water type meme coins will shine the most. So if you didn't, if you missed, look, a few here, baby blue, if you missed it, I talked about, just real quick, off topic, I talked about, what's it called, Scuba, which went on literally in the space of the day. We did like 500% in our it just went crazy. That's because Scuba's a dog, Scuba's about water, everything else. Hold on, you gotta go on Dex Screener, because Dex tools don't really show SWE tokens yet, but I'm sure they will, because they'll have to get with it. If they don't, they get left behind. So Dex Screener is cool. Well, it's down in a minute now. Look, this had a big pump though. I'll show you the move that it had. And, if you're buying down here, wherever we were buying at the time, and then you come right up like this. Look at this. I'm not even at the top of the wick. That's like 552%. It's been crazy. Let me try again. Hold on. I want to bring this down. So I'm looking for more memes just like this that can really shine. Let me just bring it down so I can show you the pump that we had, because we were buying it around about here. I'm looking for more memes like this, which can just rise up to, what is this, 400% there. If you don't want to miss it, become a Patreon. The link is in the info section. Click it. Highly recommend you come over, check me out, or check everyone else out. The link's in the info section. Just click Patreon, come over, because they're getting in early all the time. I got 7 tiers. You can take your pick. I recommend my exclusive VIP partner tier. It's the popular one right now. But if you want that access to the VIP group, because I talk to them in there before I buy stuff a lot of the time. We're talking about projects, and they're talking to me about things before I buy it. They're flipping, sharing coins, buying it, and I'm like, I'll wait a week. or wait a few days. I want to see what it's going to do. And it's already pumped like 3, 4, 5x. I'm buying their 5x. I just 5x their money. Because when I buy it, anyway. So yeah, just, come check it out. Powerful network, powerful investors over there, or smart investors, should I say? Keep it in. They're smart investors and they understand trends. And this right now, the SWE network is just hype. So I'm riding the SWE train. Hold on, my words are getting tongue twisted. I'm riding the SWE train, and I think Blue Move is a phenomenal buy. That's my personal opinion. Along with its new launchpad sort of platform, Move Pump, this token here. And it's literally on its way. So we'll see what happens. If this does a 10x, it goes to 4.8 million. If it goes 100x, it's 48 million market cap. Like I said, if pump.fun had its own coin, it probably would be up in the, good hundreds of millions, if not maybe billion. So we'll see if this can do it. I'm going to leave it here. Was it helpful? Drop that like, give me a subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. I know I talk fast. Have a good day. Perfect. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.
Never be defeated.